In this video, I'm going to talk about the XLOOKUP function. XLOOKUP function is an awesome function that can replace HLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, index match, and much more. Consider this data here. We have a product in orders here. It has a total. Then we have the products here with its discount percentage. What we want is to calculate the discount here. So we can use the XLOOKUP function. We write XLOOKUP. We check for the product name here. And the second parameter it takes is the lookup value here. We select the cell. We press Ctrl Shift down arrow. Now the third parameter is the return array. Here we use the discount and we again select Ctrl Shift down arrow to select all the values here. So it check for the product and return its discount percentage. We need to fix the addressing here. We select here and press F4 here and also here, and we also select here, press F4. As you can see, we use the absolute cell referencing here. Now we are done. We have three other parameters for this function, but they are optional. So right now XLOOKUP will check for the product name for the exact match in this list. So we select here and enter. As you can see, it will bring the first product in the list, its percentage, discount percentage here. What we want is we multiply this by the total here and enter. So the percentage is 10%, it brings 16.8. So we drag it to the bottom. As you can see, it will calculate the discount for these products in orders, and it takes the discount percentage from here. For those products like this, which we do not have a percentage, a discount percentage here, it shows an error NA. It means it does not found a match here. Now what we want is we want to fix this one. We open it again. The fourth parameter is the if not found parameter. What if we could not find a match here? What we do is we give a value. For example, if it does not found a product percentage, then it should return 0 for that product. In this way, when we drag it again to the bottom, it will give 0 if it does not found a product percentage in this list. Now consider this data. If in this time it is in horizontal way, we can also use the XLOOKUP function to calculate the discount. We write the equal XLOOKUP and we select the product, the lookup value, and we select the array that to look up. We press the Ctrl Shift arrow to select the lookup array and press F4 to select this array as a absolute addressing cell referencing. Now for the third parameter, we select the discounts here and we press Ctrl Shift right arrow in this way, and after that we press F4. It gives the cell referencing as absolute. Now we also, for the fourth parameter, we write 0 and we multiply it by the total